Hello, my investors. Hope nobody is too scared of the market recently because it has been dropping like a bunch of flies here, and it's only going to get worse here. I don't expect it to be resolved anytime soon. Trump just imposed a 5% tariff on Mexico, and that is actually incremental. It's going to get increased every single month until October, where it finally gets capped off at 25% if he is not happy with how the Mexico-US border is handling illegal immigrants entering in. So that's always a cause of concern here for the market because of all the business that the US and Mexico does. And then of course there's those ongoing trade wars with China. So that will cause a lot of short-term panic here. And there's definitely a lot of sectors that got hit huge here. The FANG stocks, Facebook, Netflix, Amazon, Google, all got crushed today. So now would be probably a good buying opportunity for you guys if you guys had your eyes on those type of stocks. I will today be going over how my portfolio did very quickly because this video is really about how I did in terms of May dividends. And just a quick disclaimer for everyone, probably won't be putting out a video this week just because I will be super busy, but expect more to come next Monday. And I'm really close to 100 subscribers, guys. If you guys could really help me out and click the subscribe button, make sure to like this video. It really means a lot to me that I'm almost at 100. And as you can see, today was down $64, up slightly in after hours. The Dow is actually up 4 points, but remember the Dow is not market cap weighted. It's just the actual stock price weighted. So that's not always the best indicator of how the markets did overall because 4 of the largest corporations in the world did quite terrible. So down almost 1% today, down $340 in the past week, and then in the last month I'm down $500. So I've just been getting crushed here, but I know everybody has been, and we're just going to go quickly over the stocks. Like I said, I will be pumping more money into the markets, and I won't be giving too much analysis today because I want to focus on the dividends. So let's change this to today's return or today's percent change. So as you can see, AbbVie continues to go down. You can get a great starting yield on that stock. United Health down today. Starbucks hasn't been hit too hard in the last month. See, it's very kind of recession-proof. People are still buying coffee even in tough times here. JP Morgan Bank stock has been hit hard recently. FedEx, this has just been atrocious. Every time I look at this, it just keeps reaching new lows. Down in the last year, it's down 40%. Luckily, I only own one share of that stock. Otter Tails Utility Company up. Boeing does a lot of business with China, so it has been taking a huge hit. But before all this friction happened and before its safety issues was a rocket ship. Pepsi slightly up there. They do so much business. People are still going to be buying Pepsi products even in a recession. 3M, oh my gosh, if I can get these starting yields right now. I wish I didn't already have a position in it. I don't want it to be making up too much of my portfolio. Southern Company, nice utility. Verizon, now you can probably start to notice a pattern. It's more of these blue chip, safe dividend stocks that are rising today. As people start to lose faith in those growth stocks, they will put their money in more reliable blue chip companies like Verizon. It had a field day today, 3%, very nice store, a nice REIT. Be sure to check out my video on them. Microsoft, one of the tech companies that got hit huge today. Medical Properties Trust, a nice REIT as well. Iron Mountain, as you can sort of see the trend here. All these REITs, all these high dividend, just give me the money now stocks going up, and that's what I love to see here. ExxonMobil, I definitely see this as a buying opportunity. I recently bought another share of this, and its price continues to go down. MasterCard, oh my gosh, I can't believe MasterCard finally went down. This stock is another bull, just continues to go up. And then today it finally got back to life there. My two railroad companies doing all right there, not too much of a change. Reality Income, another high dividend REIT stock, Visa actually here, down as well, almost 2%. Facebook, oh my gosh, this stock took a huge tumble. I was recently up like $14 on this position, and as you can see, it's already swung the complete opposite way. So it's crazy how quickly stocks can change. Apple, at one point in the lunchtime, I did see it was up, but it looks like it went down in the later parts of the afternoon. I also recently bought another share of Apple, but looks like I should have waited even longer. Then Equinix, one of my favorite companies here. I have a feeling this stock will continue to do well even during a recession. And then the last stock we're going to go over today is Disney, which looks like it's pretty stagnant. Okay, guys, so we're going to go through the dividends I received in the month of May now. So General Mills at 98 cents, only own 2 shares of them. You'll start to notice that there's some stocks I never went over, but that still pay me dividends. So for those of you guys who asked me to go over all my stocks, this is kind of a little sneak peek at them. So Verizon, 60 cents. T-Mobile, $2.04. Anybody else find it weird that T-Mobile and Verizon basically do the same sort of business, and then they also have the same dividend payout date? Find that a little strange. I don't know if there's a particular reason for that. So T-Mobile there, MasterCard pays a very small dividend, but that's all right because it has tremendous growth. AbbVie, even for a stock that goes down, it continues to pay $1.07 per a share, has a ridiculous yield right now. Then you have Procter & Gamble, $2.24. Reality Income, monthly dividend stock, 45 cents. Apple, $3.08. Recently raised its dividend like a whole 3 cents, which for a company like Apple that has so much cash on hand, I was not expecting that small of an increase. Starbucks at 72 cents a share. Then BlackRock Science Technology, monthly dividend stock, pays out 15 cents a share. Occasionally does have a special dividend. And then SBHD as well, also monthly, 45 cents a share. So that looks like it's it for the month of May, where I earned a total of $14.55 in dividends. And then in May of 2018, I only made $8.58. So that's a 70% change. And I know for a lot of people that might not seem like a lot, but this is basically money I earned for doing absolutely nothing. And if it continues at that 70% growth rate, I know the power of compound interest, and that's going to be huge in the future. And yeah, let me know what you guys want to see more of. Be sure to like the video and comment how much you earned this month, and be sure to subscribe to the channel.